In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you're someone who often sends similar emails, this feature can save you a lot of time by scheduling these emails to be sent automatically. Let's dive right into the details. First things first, open Microsoft Outlook on your device. You'll find it easier to use the desktop app, but it can also be done in your web browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Click on it and this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you've got your email and correct password ready to log in, as this will give you access to all of your Outlook features. Once you're signed in, locate the new mail button, which is typically on the top left side of the interface. Clicking this will open up a new email window where you can begin composing your message. Think about whom you need to send this email to regularly, whether it's a colleague, a client, or a team. Go ahead and type the recipient's email address in the To field. Next, populate the subject line and the body of your email. Be sure to make it clear and relevant. A well thought out subject line can make all the difference, especially when the recipient is reviewing it among many others. Now, instead of just hitting send, look closely at the send button. You'll notice a small down arrow next to it. Click on this and it will reveal a drop down menu with different options. Here, choose schedule send. This is where the magic of automation comes in. Once you've selected schedule send, you'll see several options for scheduling. You can choose a specific date and time, or go for one of the preset options like tomorrow morning. This is a great time to schedule work emails because it will likely catch the recipient first thing in their day. Finally, once you've set your preferred time, simply click send. What happens now is that your email is queued and set to be automatically dispatched at the time you selected. It's that simple. This process not only saves you from the monotony of manually sending each email, but also ensures that your communication is timely and organized. It can be a real game changer for efficiency. So there you have it, an easy way to automate your regular emails using Microsoft Outlook. Try it out and streamline your email process like never before. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get more organized.